Hello everyone, this is Jayesh and you're watching my channel, and today we'll be unboxing the Amazon Echo Dot device and a smart LED bulb which somehow is controlled by the Amazon Echo Dot device and with various options. We have a studio microphone condenser here so that we can hear the noise of Amazon Echo Dot. Well, there's no PHP, no Python, but it's Echo Dot from Amazon. So we'll start the unboxing now. Let's do it. The Amazon Echo device. So cute, isn't it? Small, lightweight, lovely. My friends, this is Amazon Echo Dot. There's a branding of Amazon here as well. You can see that. Whoa! So we need to remove this side panel plastic, a top plastic, a bottom plastic. So this, my friend, is the Echo Dot. We have 4 buttons: microphone, start, stop, or something, plus and minus, and plus and minus volume buttons. We have a 3.5 mm audio jack. We have micro USB cable here. We can connect that in order to charge this. And these are the speakers on the side. It's on the base, so the speakers are below, but it's lifted somehow. Okay, so this is a user manual of Echo. Very nice action button, power adapter. So we need a power adapter as well. Somewhere down there is this is the power adapter cable, USB and micro USB cable. So this will be connected here on this port. Guys, this I have switched it on and you can see the colors. I need the manual later. You can see the colors here. It's somehow, getting up, rebooting for the first time in its life. And there are various different colors as well. The sound. Sound.
Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Alexa app! Whoa! I need to set up Alexa app. Manual, please. Woo! Okay. Download free Amazon Alexa app to your phone or tablet. It's from alexa.amazon.in. Fine. We'll do that. Good. So I'll do one thing. I'll record the screen and share it with you. Welcome to Alexa. So I'll continue with this. Welcome to Alexa. Choose a device to set up. So you need to choose a device to set up. There is Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Plus, Tap. So I'll choose Echo Dot from this, and then I'll have to choose the languages. So I'll obviously choose English India and I'll continue the setup. Let's get your Echo connected to Wi-Fi so that you can start using it. So connect to Wi-Fi. Wait for the orange light ring. Make sure your Echo Dot is plugged into an electrical socket. In about a minute, the Echo Dot will tell you that it is ready and the light ring will turn orange. Then continue. So I'll continue. Okay, I have to enable Wi-Fi. Then I'll get a network called Amazon B1G, something related to Amazon, so I have to connect to that.
You have connected to Echo Dot. Go ahead and finish the setup in your Alexa app.
You heard that. Connected to Echo Dot. Echo Dot was unable to find Wi-Fi networks. Please select rescan. Was it previously? Your Echo Dot MAC address is this. Okay. Use this device as a Wi-Fi hotspot for now. Let's say I'll start this. Use this device as a Wi-Fi hotspot. Network name SPART That's my network name. Password is, let's say, nothing for now or something.
Ready to connect. Go to the settings on your mobile device and turn on Wi-Fi hotspot.
Turn on a hotspot and wait on the settings page until Alexa confirms that your device is successfully connected. Turn on your hotspot. Very good. So, thank you, Alexa.
Trying to connect. Just a moment.
Well, I have switched on the hotspot just when I was asked to. It's showing me 2 connections in personal hotspot. I don't know why. How can there be 2 connections?
Connected to Wi-Fi hotspot.
Okay. Are you two?
Your Echo Dot is ready.
Echo Dot is ready. Okay, fine. Alexa, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
She said yes, she's ready. Whoa. So, Alexa, what can you do?
There's a lot I can help you with. You can ask me things like, what's the weather in Rome? What's the temperature in Hyderabad? Or, make a call. Do you want to hear some more?
Yes, please.
You can also say, what new features do you have? How many ounces in a cup? Or, what's the population of Mumbai? There's more. Just ask.
Alexa, what's the temperature of this area currently?
In Westlake, it's 8 degrees with rain. Today's forecast is more of the same, with a high of 10 degrees and a low of 2 degrees.
Alexa, where is my location?
You are 1.41 miles, 2.27 kilometers, southeast of the center of Seattle.
Oh, come on. Alexa, relocate yourself.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
I should switch on my GPS on mobile. Alexa, there is some problem with my location, I think.
You are 1.41 miles, 2.27
Okay,
kilometers,
guys, there are certain
southeast
issues.
of the center of Seattle.
Guys, there are certain issues with the location stuff. I need to figure out my location. There are other things that can be asked, like, Alexa, what's on your mind? Alexa, what's on your mind?
Who decided that octopuses are cool, but spiders are scary? They both have 8 legs, weird eyes, and look like aliens. At least spiders are kind of fuzzy.
Alexa, tell me a joke about you.
Sunny Deol doesn't have a calendar at home because he doesn't like Tariq pe Tariq.
Okay, that was a good one. Alexa, what else can you do?
There's a lot I can help you with. You can ask me things like, what's the forecast for Bangalore? What's the price of gold? Or, sing me a love song. Do you
Alexa,
want to hear?
sing me a love song.
Your circuits are fused, you're feeling confused.
Okay, so it's playing some song. So the speaker is down here. I can switch the volume up plus. It's increasing. I think this is the max volume.
It sounds like to me, oh, it's got to be.
This is the sound.
It's a love song, so sing along. It's where
Alal.
you belong. In a love song, it's a love song.
So I have decreased the sound. Increased. Alexa, stop. So guys, that's the Amazon Echo device that we obviously had some problem figuring this to how to connect to micro hotspot, but then we have connected and this works well. So we should say thank you to her. Alexa, thank you very much.
You bet.
Humorous, huh? So now we will unbox the smart LED bulb, smart light, and this should get connected to Alexa as well. So let's try this. We'll unbox this. Let's see, there are other stuff such as warranty card, some graphics, warranty card stuff. So let's see. Cover. This is the light. This is the smart light. Okay, pretty cool. So good. Nice, isn't it? Very nice. So guys, that was Alexa, and we tried the smart bulb thing that didn't work, so don't purchase that. Get a Philips one, I'll get a better one. But Alexa as an app is good. It has, and this device Echo, that's also very good. It has quite a lot of rich features. You can directly connect to any other stuff on the cloud. You can call your contacts, you can book cab services, and you can do all the other stuff that you can do with other assistants like Google Assistant and Siri as well. So it was very nice watching this. Alexa, thank you.
That's what I'm here for.
Okay.